Are you looking for the best corded circular saw? In this video, we will break down the top 4 corded circular saws on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. DeWalt DWE575SB. The sophisticated body structure is one of the highlighting features of this saw. This aspect plays a huge role in differentiating it. You can experience supreme comfort and control using it. Its rear-angled handle and one in the front have been given so that you can hold the saw using both your hands. It increases control and helps to keep balance. Both the handles are rubber over-molded to ensure a better grip without a slip. As soon as you release the trigger, this brake stops the blade from revolving. This brake is really effective to give you a safer version of a circular saw. The circular saw is powered by electricity. Its 15-amp proficient motor helps to generate the maximum power possible. The saw gains a very high blade rotating speed to cut through every material you work on. A powerful saw with a high blade speed can be dangerous at times. But this saw makes sure you only get the positive sides of its strength, diminishing all the threatening aspects. It's a common scenario after every cutting session. The sawdust gets piled up everywhere. At number 2. Makita 5007 Megagrams. With a 15-amp motor that delivers a maximum speed of 5,800 RPMs, this saw allows you to make cuts that are both powerful and smooth. To aid in making these cuts, it has included 2 built-in LED lights upon the design. These illuminate your work when making cuts, increasing the precision and finish when ripping. A built-in dust blower will remove any debris or dust from your line of sight, which is definitely a handy addition. The settings are easy to read when making adjustments, thanks to the oversized numbers and ruler markings on the base, which also increases accuracy. The motor is exclusively designed and contains a coil of wire which is looped and welded to the copper commutator, providing an enhanced performance when cutting, and perfectly durable for your on-site needs. A 5/8 of an inch arbor size is perfect for the blade provided with the corded circular saw and creates some serious firepower when cutting. At number 3. SKIL 5280-01. This is one budget-friendly circular saw. It's a strong 15-amp motor. Cutting a thick piece of wood throughout the day is not a problem with this Sidewinder saw. Its ergonomically designed handles reduce operator fatigue and increase ease of use. The package includes a 7¼ inches carbide blade, contractor bag, and blade wrench. One unique feature is the built-in laser beam. This allows you to cut a piece of wood without using a pencil or marker. But the truth is it is not as useful as one would expect it to be. The accuracy is sometimes off, so it's still best to use a pencil to ensure accurate cuts. You can use it to make steep bevel cuts, as you can adjust it to 51 degree with a stop at 45 degree. Other useful features include an integrated dust blower, a power indicator, and a safety lock that prevents accidental start. At number 4. Porter Cable PCE 300. This saw is suitable for heavy-duty jobs as it can work for long hours. You can use it brake-free in keeping with your requirements. The saw can deliver a blade speed of around 5,500 RPM. This speed is perfect for large wood-cutting works. With the right blade, you can gain high SFM. This can help you get quicker cuts and complete your tasks much faster than usual. Even though it will be quicker, your cuts will be accurate too. You can rely on it for not giving you rough ends. This lock system keeps the blade secured in its position when locked and pops it open in one try when you want to change it. It makes the work effortless. This saw has an auxiliary handle. This type of handle raises the comfort level for handling. In addition to this, its rubber overmolding is like the cherry on top. This gives you grip and provides better control of the saw.